Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. So finally all the repair videos on the EM2 are done. No more repairs on that car for the foreseeable future. It's been running great, no problems whatsoever, no overheating, no nothing. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to actually be doing some changes to the car. And I'm inside my garage because I tried opening the garage door, and film out there with better lighting and stuff, but there's so much construction going on, so much noise, wind too, so I decided to come in here. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. But this is the next thing I'm gonna do to the Civic. I'm gonna change out that old factory radio, and then also I just unpackaged everything, and we're moving right now to trying to set up my garage, but everything right now is just a big mess. But for now, I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm put on those headlights because the ones that are on there right now, they're very faded. They look horrible. I'll show them to you right now. So I went ahead and bought these on eBay. We'll see how they look. But for now, I have to go back to my other place, get some tools, get some stuff, and then we'll go from there. So I'm not gonna get too detailed with it because there's a bunch of videos out there already. You pop this off, some screws here, you move this thing where the cup holders are, and then it pops out of here. There's 2 screws down here, and then this thing comes out as a whole unit. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it is. New stereo's in. Get some power going to it. I went with the Sony. I don't even know the thing. My wife bought it for me. It's red, just like I wanted it because it has the red gauges over there. So that was a little bit more involved, a little bit more than I thought it would be. This thing that I got it at eBay. And it doesn't fit like I thought it was gonna fit. There's a little bit of panel gaps right here in the bottom, but no big deal. It looks pretty good, I think. So now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look at these headlights. Okay, so these are the old headlights. If you can see, they're kind of yellowish, really faded. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch those out for those new ones. The other one's in there. But I gotta take off the bumper, so I have to lift up the car, take off the bumper, take those off, and then we'll see how they look and how they perform at night too. Alright, so that's the old one, and this is a new one. It's alright, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one done, and then put everything back together, and then when it gets dark, I'll go outside and do the comparison. Alright, so I did finally get the lights adjusted. That last video you saw was about 4 weeks ago. And as much as I adjust them, they still look kind of weird. It looks like that beam on that side, the low beam, instead of facing straight, it's facing like this towards the middle of the car. And up and down, you can adjust them. They have a little adjustment screw in there back here, that one right there, so you can adjust the up and down. But no matter how much I adjust them, they still look kind of weird. And this is the video from before. As you can see, the light is just spread out evenly, even though it's kind of yellow. And this is the after with the new headlights. It looks a little brighter, like a little clear, I don't know, it looks a little brighter. But as you see, this beam on the left, it looks like it's facing towards the middle and kind of down. But when I adjust them and I look at the garage door and the wall right here, when I point it here, they look like they're about level. But once, I guess, they shine farther, the beams are a bit crooked. And I haven't been able to find the adjustment from left to right. I don't know if they have it, but I guess it's all right. So if you guys plan on buying some lights on eBay, just make sure to think of that before you do your purchase. These were only $100, a little bit over, $113. And the high beams, they work really good. As you can see here, they're bright, they direct the light farther. But the low beams, I guess I'll keep messing with them to see if I can get them adjusted better. And I do plan on getting, I guess, LED light bulbs to see if they can look brighter, because they still kind of look yellow like before. But I think it's the light bulbs. And I'm sure you can see that I changed the intake on the car. I don't have the big old nasty air box that goes right here. I went ahead and got this $40 eBay cold air intake, ram air. I was gonna get the one that goes way down there. I guess the tube weaves down through here and it puts the air filter like over there, kind of where my finger is at, right there. But I had one of those on an old Honda that I had a few years ago, and we went through some storms and drove through the rain, and it actually sucked up the water into the engine and messed up my engine. So I'm gonna avoid that this time. And I know it's not gonna do much to the car besides change the way it looks and the way it sounds, because before it didn't make any noise and now it has a little throaty sound, like right here. And besides that, I also did get the fuel pump replaced. I replaced it about like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And not because they give out completely, but because the top on these fuel pumps, they break. They have the internal fuel filter. And I guess with all the pressure, it busts from the top, as you can see here. And all this that you see is fuel that was leaking. And it stunk real bad like gasoline. So I went and got that changed out. It took me about an hour. And that's it. For right now, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel if you want. And we'll see you guys next time.